This button we already preset the around function. Around function. You can let me show you. Okay, if you want to change the monitor or the power function, we can use the computer through the program software to say it. First, we need to turn on the power on. Turn on the power button. Okay, make sure it's power on. Then we use this program cable. You can see this the K type. This K type. Then we connect with the computer. Okay. This is the program software for the ET-99. You can see we make sure the USB is into the COM 8. Turn off the side key. Or you can use the monitor, or high power or low power, or alarm. This function, the side key function, we can use this. We can through the program software to set the frequency, to set the function. Okay, it's the voice. Here's the voice. If you don't want to the beat voice, you can turn off this button. If you choose this function VOX, then we can don't need push the PTT to talk. This is the TS power. We also choose the high power. That will extend your talk range. Please notice, you can see the RS and the TS, the frequency may be the same. It must be the same. You can see, must be the same. Okay, so already reset the side key. We already reset the side key function. Now this is not around. It's monitor. You can see it.